Yes. Uh, Today, I am going to discuss the multiplication, and there will be three parts. In part one, we have discussed something, explain something, example, and give the question. So now, questions on multiplication. Questions on multiplication. And I advise the students to read and write carefully. For example, suppose I am writing very fast, there is chances of the mistake. So to avoid the mistake, one should read slowly and write slowly also. Now, I am giving example 1. This is part 1. And in part 1, we will discuss multiplicants, multiplicand, okay, multiplier, multiplier, and product. For that, I am giving the question. Write. I have already explained two formula. One is based on the multiplicand and another is based on the number of the object in a group. So two example give and then question I will give. So write the number write the number write the number verse in a group, in one group. This is very, very important. And then numbers of group. Numbers of group. And total numbers of objects. Objects are item. I have already explained what is the meaning of items and object. In the following, with repeated addition oblique multiplication fact. A. 7 into 8, 7 8 ja 56. B. Reverse. 8 7 ja also 56. If you are writing multiplication in this form, it is known as horizontal method. अब देखिए आंसर, आई एम गिविंग द आंसर ऑफ ए. You can say solution also. किसका है? A. अब देखिए, the first number, first digit is the numbers in a one group. So 7, these 7 is the numbers in one group. One group mention is very, very important. One group. Now 8. The 8 EIGHT. Here I want to mention again, 8 is the number and spelling 8 is the number name. That is very, very important. Is the number of groups, numbers of group. Numbers of group. And the 56 is the total numbers of objects or item. Here also you can say the numbers of objects in one group, the number of objects, number of group here is okay, but here it is group. Now B, I am explaining better way. The 8 EIGHT 8. Now just see here. This is the numbers of objects, oblique items in one group. And this 7 is the numbers of group. Group can be more than one, so plural. And the 56 is the same. The 56 is the total numbers of objects or items. Now for this I have already shown, but here I am showing you again the numbers of object in a group and number of the group can be interchanged, but the results will be always same. So here you can say that hence 7 into 8 is equal to 8 into 7 is equal to 56. That is the example 1. And I have also said the repeated addition. Just say repeated addition. So here I am just saying, just say A. I will write repeated addition. Repeated addition. Addition. Just repeated addition. Additions. अब A का क्या होगा? जब देखिए A, you write 8 times 7 plus. That means 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. ये चार बार हो गया. 5, 6 and 7. If you add 7 8 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So result is 56. This is the addition fact. Now B. In B, you have to write 8 7 times. You have to write 8 7 times. Just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is also 56. So, this is the addition fact and this is the multiplication fact. Here, this is referred as multiplication fact. Fact. And I have already teach you there is a strong relation between the addition and multiplication. Now I am going to give you question for you. Not question for you, but first example 2. This is the example 1. So I am going to use example 2. Example 2. Example 2. It is just a refresh to the students. If a student do the different question on the same pattern, at least they will remember the important terms used in the multiplication. What is the example 2? Write multiplicand, multiplier, and product. For the following. Or the following. I am saying the same. A 9 into 4 is equal to 36 and B is equal to 4 into 9 is equal to 36. Solution. This A. I mentioned the first term is multiplicand. So the 9 is the multiplicand. Now the 4 is the multiplier. And the 36 is the product. अब देखिएगा, अब for better understanding, comparison between the number of objects in a group and multiplicand is the same. So for your convenience here, you can write it. This is the numbers of objects in one group. This is very, very important. This is the additional things which I am doing. And this is the numbers of group. And this is the total number of objects. Total numbers of objects. One thing also you write. This is the first digit. Why I am writing? The student should know first, second, third. It is known as the ordinal. And this is the second digit. And number you can say. Number. And this is the third digit. Now B. Same thing. The 4, here it is interchanged. 4 is the number of objects. Numbers of objects or items in one group. The 9 is the numbers of group. And the 36 is the total number of the object. Of objects. I am not repeating the same thing, which can be. So the multiplication is the same if you interchange the multiplicand and multiplier. That means multiplicand. अब जैसे आप इसको आप just I am telling you in terms of the repeated additions. Repeated addition. Just say A. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 is equal to 36. Suppose you have 4 bucket or 4 balti, and in each balti there is 9 mango. So that is how you can say repeated addition. And these are the multiplication fact. Multiplication fact. और ये एडिशन फैक्ट आ जाएगा. और बी देखिए, इन बी देयर आर 9 buckets. इन 1 bucket देयर आर 4 mango. तो इसको 9 टाइम्स लिखना पड़ेगा. 4 + 4 + 4 + 4, 4 टाइम्स. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 equal to. अब इसको आप बोलेंगे एडिशन फैक्ट. Now I am going to give you some tricky questions for practice. So you should understand. I just deleted this one. Question is totally based on the example 1 and 2, so that the student have a practice and remember whole things. अब देखिए, क्वेश्चन फॉर प्रैक्टिस. फॉर प्रैक्टिस. Obviously based on that. देखिए, क्वेश्चन 1. Write a numbers in, I say one group or each group, meaning same. One or each group. Teacher can say one each, so everyone should know one and each are the same. Then B, numbers of group. C, total numbers of objects. अब देखिए, क्वेश्चन मैंने यहां पर दे रहा हूं, जरा ध्यान सुनिएगा और इसको देखिएगा. जो है फर्स्ट, 0 × 1 = 0. Then 1 × 0 = 0. Then 10 × 0 = 0. Then 0 × 10 = 0. Now there should be a physical explanation. There is a mathematical explanation, there is a physical explanation. Suppose 0. Suppose there is a 1 bucket and there is no mango. तो फाइनल क्या होगा? 0 mango होगा. Similarly, if there is one mango in a 0 bucket, means there is no bucket, so वो भी 0 होगा. Similarly like this. अब देखिए, second, 1 × 3 = 3. 3 × 1 = 3. It has a meaning. 20 × 1 has 20. Similarly, 1 × 20 will be 20. अब देखिए, थर्ड, 8 × 3 = 24. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. 10 into 8 is equal to 80. 4. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. Then 4 into 9, 36. 9 into 4 is equal to. You can ask the students to, these are the multiplication fact. All these are the multiplication fact. Yet here, multiplication fact. Fact. Now, in the same question, you can ask number of them. You can also ask D, addition fact. अब देखिए, अब क्वेश्चन 2, write the missing term. अब देखिए 1, 3 into is equal to 3. I have just given an example by making a block. You can also make a without block, like 1 into this is equal to 3. Here, this into 3 is equal to 3. Now, this into 3 is equal to 0. Then 3 into is equal to 0. 2. 2 into 20. Then into 2 is equal to 20. Then 4 into 3 4 into is equal to 24. अब देखिए यहाँ थर्ड 6 into 12. 5 into 10. 5 into 5 is equal to what? 5 into 25. Fourth, 7 into 3 8. Now, this gives the students to remember the table, whether they should know table or not. Up to second class, at least table up to 10 should be thoroughly remembered by the student. जैसे हम लोग समय में कहा जाता कि कौन सा 9वां 36 होता है, उसमें ये पूछा जाता था. अब ये पूछे तो लड़के नहीं बता पाएंगे. उसी का ये दूसरा फॉर्म है ये जो है. Just to explain. Now there is and one question more. Question 3. On number line. Number line. Question 3. Multiply on number line. And write the product in the box. I am giving you 3 questions. 1. As I said, you can draw the number line 0 to 10, 0 to 20, depending on the questions. Here, now I am giving the number line 0 to 20. So for that, it is very simple. You draw a bigger line. ध्यान सुनिएगा. Here we make first 0, then 20. Now very simple. To make a half 10. Even before that, to make 5. Here it is 15. Ask the student to proceed like this. If they will start at 5, 10, confusion. So handwriting practice will be there for that. Now again here, just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. I have done one for the students. And what they have to do? They have to do 5 into 3 is equal to. Second question. I will only draw 0 to 20. 0 to 20. Ask the students to repeat the above numbers. This will also give the exercise. And here, 3 5 product. Then third, again I will draw 0 to 20. अब देख कितना आसान है. एक तरफ 0 और बीच में 10. Ask the student to do this thing and it is 2 9. अब प्रोडक्ट इसमें लिखना है और ध्यान रखिएगा कि सबसे पहले ये यहाँ पर 5 है तो पहले 5 पर ऊपर नंबर बनाएंगे और इसको 3 टाइम्स बना के सेमी सर्किल बनाएंगे, फिर टोटल करेंगे. एज आई हैव एक्सप्लेन अदर. सो एडिटिव फैक्ट में एक होता है और मल्टीप्लिकेशन में 1 1 के बाद फिर वो भी होता है. दैट इज द एंड ऑफ माई दिस लेक्चर एंड आई विल गो फॉर द पार्ट 2. थैंक यू वेरी मच.